I hope you all are watching this continuous online series because these all lectures are important. Then in previous lecture we start the environment and development. Then in this topic we studied about the bioindicators and environmental monitoring. But one point is remaining from this chapter is environmental challenges in India. Environmental challenges India because of our India has a great ecological conditions and great biodiversity. It has a ecological, social, cultural diversity, and India has a good environment. So many problems in India facing due to the environmental challenges like land degradation, population explosion, urbanization and industrialization. Because of these are the big environmental challenges in India. So we are going to discuss one by one. First one is a population explosion. Population pressure in India has hampered the economic development because of this population in our country, and the problem of population explosion has two aspects, major three aspects of the population explosion. First one is the size of the population is very large in India. The more than 130 crore population is there, and because of that the many problems are arise. Then second aspect is the growth rate of the population is high. Because of the growth rate high, the day by day population is getting increasing. Every year adding the 70 to 20 million people in every year. And population, poverty and environment are interrelated. The population, poverty and environment, these are the interrelated. Because of the environmental degradation is takes place due to the biggest population, and these are the biggest challenge from the India. And the majority of people are directly dependent on the natural resources like fuel, food for the wood. Then these are the directly depend on the natural resources, and in India more than 40% people are below the poverty line. And because of that poverty, environmental degradations are not different than the poverty, because these are the two sides of the one coin, poverty and degradation. Because for every poor man is depend on the natural resources, and the every poor man's each child is earner, and therefore without thinking they give birth to the many children. And the physical factor of the earth remain constant, but the pressure of population increases day by day. And that is because of that these the different difficult to the support living beings with the limited physical factors, because physical factors are not increasing, these are the constant, but the populations are increase day by day. And because of that in other cases the population explosions are decline, and in other cases population are declined due to the many factor, because of the improved medical facility, declined death rate due to the improved medical facility, public health measures. Then in other things like universal practices of marriage, low marriages in age, high infant mortality which has resulted in large number of children. And because of that many religious factors are don't allow to many operations. Then the family planning, then the religious factor also implemented the population explosion. Then poverty and lack of family planning, these are due to the illiteracy, means the education is most important, and because of the illiteracy, but illiteracy factors come through the poverty, because of they have don't have the sufficient money, and they cannot take the education because of the these poverty factors. So I told you the poverty and the environmental degradation, the two are both sides of the one coin. And because of that the population is increasing by day, and Second factor is land degradation. Land degradation is a process in which value of the biophysical environment is affected. Means in which the biophysical environment value is affected by a combination of human induced processes acting upon the land. Means the human processes acting on the land, because of that the biophysical environment is affected, and it is viewed as any change or disturbances to the land, and land degradation is the most important environmental problem and currently challenging the sustainable development in many parts of the world. Not in India, but many parts of the world it is a major problem, and the problem is most acute where the environment is the vulnerable and where the population is losing control of its own resources. Mean here is the land degradation is because of the population explosion. Means the population explosion is the most important challenges from our India, and many causes of the land degradation. The land clearance is also one of the most important cause of the land degradation, such as a clearing and cutting of deforestation. And clearing and cutting of deforestation is because of the due to increased population, food necessity increases day by day, and due to which there is a pressure on soil, and rate of utilization is more than the rate of fertilization, and due to this soil loses its quality and depth. There is a unlimited use of chemical fertilizer, due to which soil cover is lost, and soil is get eroded due to the deforestation, and also due to wind, water and human activity. And wind causes a soil erosion because of due to the deforestation, because the wind is direct wind contact is directly with soil, and because of the trees hold the soil, and if deforestation is takes place, then soil erosion is also takes place, and deforestation velocity of wind is increases. Because of deforestation wind velocity is increases, and soil erosion is a common problem throughout the world due to the forest fire, then overgrazing, then tremendous use of pesticides also disturb the top soil cover, and all these resulted in land degradation, and these are the most important causes of the land degradation, and this is the problem in front of India because of the population explosion. These all are the causes of land degradation. Then another cause of the another challenges in front of the India is urbanization. Urbanization in human settlement is another major problem in front of the India, because the human settlement is one problem, and because the extremely grown population is becoming intensively concentrated in an around in major city, and this is called as a urbanization. And because life in urban area is safe for health and is give better life as compared to rural area, the people flow towards the city. It's increasing day by day, and the results are tremendous pollution of water, pollution of air, pollution of food, and increasing criminal activity day by day. And these are the following problems of urbanization in India. This is the urban sprawl of real expansion of the cities, and both in population of geographical area of rapidly growing in city is the root cause of the urban problem. Urban sprawl means the geographical area of cities increasing day by day, and the massive immigration from rural area as well as from small towns into the big city has taken place almost consistently, and adding the size of the city because of the people. Then the another problem of urbanization in India is the overcrowding. Overcrowding means it is a situation in which the too many people live in a little space, and overcrowding is a logically consequence of overpopulation in urban area. It is naturally expected that the cities having a large size of population, and in small spaces many peoples are live together. For example, Mumbai is the best example of the overcrowding. Then next is a housing. housing is a overcrowding leads to a chronic problem of shortage of houses in urban area, and this problem is basically more acute in those urban areas where there is a large influx of unemployed immigrants who have no place to live in when they enter in the city or town in surrounding, and ultimately slums are increasing. Then in unemployment, because of unemployment, the problem of unemployment no less serious than the problem of housing mentioned above. Then urban unemployment is a India is estimated at the 50 to 25% of the labor force, and this percentage is even higher among the educated people because of the unemployment, and because of the unemployment the slums are increasing. The slums and squatter settlements, the natural sequel of unchecked, unplanned and hazardous growth of urban area is the growth and spread of slums, and the slums are the not good, the structure is also not good, there is a no system, no drainage system, there is a no sewage, proper sewage disposal system, and because of these areas government's name is a slum, and there is a many people live together in not good, there is a no good houses, these are the slums, and slums is also major problem in front of the India. Then another is a transport is also major problem, because with traffic bottleneck and traffic congestion almost all cities and all town of India are suffering from acute form of transport problem, and transport problems increase and become more complex as the town grown in size, and this is its growth, and the town performs a varied and complex function, and more people travel to work or shop, and these are the transport. Then next is a water is also main problem, because of the increasing population the problem of also increasing, because I told you the physical constant are physical factors are in constant, but the population are increasing day by day. Same problem is a water is the one of most essential compound of nature for sustain of life, but the right from of the beginning urban civilization site for settlement have always been choose keeping in a view of the availability of water to the inhabitants of the settlements. If you search for settlements you first find the water. Then these are the major problems in front of the. Another problem is a sewerage problem. Urban area in India are almost invariably blocked with the insufficient and inefficient sewage facility, because not a single city in India is fully sewer. Resource crunch faced by the municipalities and unauthorized growth of the cities are the two major causes of this the pathetic state of the affairs. These are the very pathetic states, because many illegal constructions or many illegal sites due to which the sewerage problems are increased day by day. Then another problem is a trash disposal. As Indian cities grow in number and size, the problem of trash disposal is assumed alarming the proportion. The trash disposal or the garbage disposal is the main problem in front of the India, because the day by day the waste management workers or waste management officers is used different types of technique to disposal the waste, but like a mountain the disposal or the ground of disposal area is increasing like mountain, and this is the most important challenges in front of the India. Then urban crimes, these are one of the uh, challenges in front of India because of the population explosion or urbanization. Urban crimes due to the modern city present in meeting point of people from different walk of life having no affinity with one another. Like other problems, the problems of crimes increases with the increase in urbanization. In fact, the increasing trend in urban crimes then tends to disturb peace and the cities and the unsafe to live in, particularly for the women. because of the urban crime is increases. So think the education is most important to change the thinking of everyone. Then another is the problem of urban pollution. Then because of the population explosion, the everything is increases, car increases, industries increases, and because of that population is also increases, and the population is increases, then many health problem is also increases, and because of that the environment is also disturbed due to these harmful gases and because of that harmful chemicals. Then another challenge of in front of India is the industrialization. Industrialization is the another problem to environment because majority of our industrial plants are using outdated and population technologies and makeshift facility devoid of any provision of treating their waste. A great number of cities and industrial areas that have been identified as a worst in terms of air and water pollution. Then act are enforced in the country, but their implement is not so easy. So the reason is their implementation need great resource, technical expertise, and political and social wills is most important. So industrialization is also major problem in front of India because of the industry the pollution is increases day by day, and these are the challenges in front of India. So here our fourth topic from environmental biology is environment and development is finished here. So I stop here. Thank you.